Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Himanshu, and with us we have one student, Vishal, with us, who is from Electronics branch from VIT Pune. He recently took up his TCS NQT, and he would love to share his experience with us. Hi, Vishal.
Hello, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good. I'm good, Vishal. So we would love to hear your interview experience so that it
Yes.
will help all electronic students, not only from Pune but entire India.
Okay. Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you, sir. You are creating such amazing videos for a student, which
Okay.
are really helpful for me. I am
Okay.
following you for a Accenture interview process, and right now in NQ2. So these lots of video are really helping me for my interview.
Super,
So
super.
thank you so much, sir.
Thank you
You are
for
really doing really great job, sir. For a
thank you,
freshers, thank you, sir.
thank you. Yeah. So let's start with the experience of
Yes,
yours.
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I got a email from NQT TCS on 11th November for that you cleared the NQ2 exam,
Hmm.
and we will schedule an interview for you. And the same
Now,
day,
sorry to interrupt. There are many students, Vishal, who are like, "Sir, we still haven't received we haven't received a mail from TCS saying that we have cleared the NQT or not." So you have
no,
received on 11th, which is quite late.
yes, sir. I think I received late because and some of my friends are getting the mail right today. One of my friend she got a mail from TCS that your NQT profile is not filled.
Okay.
Please
Okay.
complete it, or else we have to drop you from the process.
True. Which today is, I think, 16th of November,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, sir. I think in the morning she got the mail from NQT.
So
Can
people,
you
you
please?
don't have to worry that if you have not still got the NQT mail, you don't have to worry. Results are coming out in batches.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
And
wait.
please check that the NQT profile,
Huh.
because I got the message from her that
Hmm.
okay, she sent me the screenshot. I will share with you that screenshot
Huh.
that your in this not profile is not filled. Please
Hmm.
fill it, or else we have to
Okay.
drop you out of the process. So
Okay.
just check out at your profile that is it filled or not.
Okay. Please check if you have filled your profile or not, because if you have not filled, no, your candidature might get cancelled because you have cleared such a big exam, tough exam, and if you have not done all these small homeworks, it'll get cancelled. So please see through that your profile is filled complete 100%.
Yes, sir.
Okay, conveyed,
Yes,
Vishal.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
So where were we? Yeah, we were talking about getting late. So people are
Yes, sir.
still getting it even now, as you told your friend got.
Yes, sir. She got that you have to fill that. So I think this is the very big examination.
Okay.
It's total nationwide, so it will take some time to reach everyone.
Correct, correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
you got it on 11th, and when was your interview slot made?
Sir. Sir, my interview start on 12th November
Huh,
around 5 p.m.
okay. No,
Okay.
you got the result that you have cleared NQT on.
Same day evening around 7 or 8 p.m. I got the mail from NQT. The
Oh,
your interview is scheduled tomorrow. The date was mentioned
huh,
12 November on a 5 p.m.
wow, so fast. Huh,
So fast. That
yeah,
yes, sir.
okay. Huh,
Okay, and the mention the time was 5 p.m.
hmm,
So I prepared for that. But the thing half an hour before the examination, around 4:30,
hmm,
I got a call from HR
hmm,
from TCS
hmm,
that we are trying to prepone your session.
hmm.
Will it be okay for you? So I said okay, so no problem. I can do it earlier.
So prepone to what? What time?
4:30.
What? They called you at what time?
They called me at 4:15. Yeah, we want to prepone it. So will it be ready? We will took your interview in after 5 or 10 minutes.
Hmm,
So I said okay, it will be easy for
correct.
me or for the interview because this is a
Correct.
Diwali season. So I also said yes, sir.
Good, good that you told yes, and you were flexible enough to adapt.
Yes, sir.
Vishal, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Right now you are audible.
Acha. Vishal, one more thing which one student had asked me was, sir, what is the general speed of students, internet speed that we need to have so that the interview goes on very swift?
I think, sir, if student have a broadband, then it is really great.
Mm,
But if you have a mobile connection,
mm,
so I sir tell student to top of the recharge. Like there is 2 or 1 or 2 GB. It is not sufficient
Hmm.
because the video is going on,
Hmm.
and the software I use was the Cisco WebEx,
Hmm.
and I checked the usage around 2.2 GB, something like that.
Hmm. Hmm.
And the
Hmm.
depends on interview, it will change. So and I think telecom network is sufficient, like Geo or Airtel, it is
Hmm.
good
It's good.
because the interview videos is off, only your video is going on.
Hmm.
So obviously it will take little bandwidth, but
Okay.
you have to be filled top of the recharge.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Understood.
sir.
Understood. So you started your interview at 4:30.
Yes, sir. At 4:30, on the given link, I joined there.
Hmm.
They told me on a during call, Please wait in the waiting area. We
Hmm.
will allow you."
Hmm.
So when they allow you, when
So
they
one
allowed me,
second. Sorry to interrupt you again. Was it the same link which I had sent one day before you had
yeah,
to?
yeah, yeah, same link. I
Okay.
think I also saw on the WebEx the
Okay.
link was scheduled from 12:30 to 6:30 around that.
Okay.
I think the same link is shared along the among the students,
Hmm.
and the student can join on their slot.
Okay.
Like it was like that because I saw on the WebEx platform it was showing that at 12:30 to 6:30, like the Zoom link shows start time end time.
Huh, huh.
It was same like that. So I think the same link is shared among the students,
Hmm.
and whenever your slot comes, they allow you, or
Hmm.
they told you to wait in the waiting area.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, when they allow me, there was a three persons.
What time
Like
did they allow you? 4:30 you mentioned.
they allow me in 1 minute, less
Okay.
than 1 minute.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay, so there was a three person. One was TR, one was HR, one was MR, like that.
Hmm.
So we join. They greet me, hello,
Hmm.
how are you? I said, I'm fine, sir. Then they asked me so your interview got preponed.
Hmm.
Well, yes, sir. So
Hmm.
then they said, "Okay, what were you doing?"
Hmm.
So I said, nothing, sir. I was just testing some Diwali farals
Hmm.
and waiting for the interview.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, they said, great. So
Okay.
like that, then they said, we will start the interview now. So
Okay.
when they start, the interview, the HR person.
Okay. Before you continue, I have one doubt and one point to add. One doubt is all the three videos, were you able to see the HR or was it muted?
No, sir. The video was off. They all
Oh,
was muted.
okay.
Okay.
And one more thing, when anybody asks people, the HR asks you, what were you doing 30 minutes before the interview? Don't tell something like, sir, I was waiting for the interview to start. I'm waiting, I'm sitting in front of the computer. It shows that you're nervous.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct, no? So you
Yes,
can
sir.
tell,
Correct.
sir, I was in my work. I was doing this work, that work, and all, and I was waiting for the interview. I,
It also shows the how confident you are about yourself. Like you are not like afraid of the interview. You are
true,
just chill. You have all preparation. So you are
yeah,
just waiting for the opportunity. So I just
correct.
said, sir, I did all the things like
Huh,
set the environment, laptop, work, all the things,
hmm,
and now I was just testing the farals and waiting for the interview to come my chance. So he
super.
said, okay, good.
Huh, okay.
And after that, the HR said we will start the interview.
Hmm,
Uh, then the HR asked me to introduce or give the insight of your life
hmm,
to us. So we don't need to check your resume.
hmm,
So I gave my full introduction,
hmm.
or we can
Oh,
say, tell me
can
about
you tell,
yourself, questions,
can
answer.
you tell me that insight
Yes, sir.
about your life? Huh,
Yes, sir.
huh,
So, sir, I said, hello, sir.
huh,
My name is Visharatna Parki.
hmm,
I am from Aurangabad city,
hmm,
which is also known as tourist capital of Maharashtra.
hmm,
I have done my 10th and 12th from the same city.
hmm,
Currently, I am pursuing my BTech from Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune,
hmm,
in electronics field.
hmm,
Talking about my family, there are four members in my family.
hmm,
I'm the youngest one.
hmm,
My father is a farmer, and he told me to believe in hard work
hmm,
and never stop working.
hmm.
My mother is a housewife, and she told me to be polite and patient.
Housewife,
Talk,
instead of housewife, you can tell homemaker.
yeah, homemaker, yes, sir.
है ना? Homemaker sounds better than housewife. Huh.
Yes, sir. And then I tell ki, sir, talking about my hobbies,
Hmm,
trekking and traveling my hobbies. I also like bike riding.
hmm,
Talk in during my BTech calls, I came along various subjects
hmm,
in which I found OOPS or Java are the interesting ones.
hmm,
Those are my favorite subjects.
hmm,
Talking about my projects, I have worked on various technologies like Android,
hmm,
image processing, home security,
hmm,
and currently I'm working on a project which is a sponsored project by Q Energy Electric Private Limited, which
Mm.
is a Pune-based startup,
Mm.
and the project is based on the EV, electronic vehicle motor charging system, which
Mm.
includes technology like Android embedded
Mm.
system and cloud computing.
Okay.
So yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Super. Nice. Good.
Yeah.
But that is what you could next time no interviews try to focus more on your achievements. Okay,
Yes, sir.
achievements you tell, and less about your family background. You told that is good. Okay, but try to talk less about your family
Yes, sir.
and even from where you're coming. Okay, it is not needed. Tell something which they are interested to know, interested to hear. I'm not
Yes, sir.
telling what you told is bad. I'm just telling what can be improved.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
and
sir.
then even you told all this. At the end, you could have told something like, "I like meeting people. I like exploring places." You know why? Because they will ask this question: "Are you ready to relocate?" So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
indirectly, you are answering here that I would like to meet places, explore places, and all. So that is a plus point for them. Okay, they'll put a tick in their heart. Okay, this guy is ready to explore places.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
all
I would like
small
also,
things
yeah, sir, I
which
would like to also ask when I give the interview for
uh,
every time, at the end I don't know what to say. Like I complete, like right now I completed, and
uh,
I became silence. So is there
mm.
something I can add that, sir, this is my intro?
No, you don't have to tell. Okay, so once you're done and you can say, like you told, no, like this is the I'm doing project internship and it has been sponsored by this private limited company. So
That's it.
and this is my job, sir.
Okay,
That's
sir.
all. You can just look at the blank screen and smile. That's all. Nothing else. I know
Yes,
it
yes,
sounds weird looking at the blank screen and smiling, but that's what you can do.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
That's all. You don't have to tell, yes, sir, this is about myself. You don't have to tell that. You just be calm, smile at them. Over.
Okay, sir. Okay.
But when you end, no, let that be a dip in tone. Like if I tell, so I like to meet new people, explore places. I'm quite confident. I like speaking on the stage. So this is about me.
Yes, sir. Yes.
ठीक है, so
I will
this is
definitely add
about,
this, sir.
हाँ, so that's all. ठीक
Yes,
है,
sir. Yes.
हाँ,
After that, HR person called the TR person,
हाँ,
introduced me to him, and handed the interview to him.
हम्म,
After doing the TR person asked me the my CGPA. So
हम्म,
I told him my CGPA is 8.7,
हम्म,
electronics branch.
हम्म,
He said okay. I think he looked to my looked at my resume
हम्म,
and asked me that you have done an I did a project in image processing.
हम्म,
So he asked me about that. You did a project. So what
हम्म,
was the project? So I explained the project was it
हम्म,
was the name was a criminal recognition system.
okay,
It's basically face recognition,
हम्म,
face detection, then recognition, and I
quite
created a
interesting.
one.
हाँ,
Yes, sir. And I
हाँ,
created one GUI like we see in old Hollywood movies. There is a follow polygon, or we can say there is a small UI working on a Windows or something like that. So I created one GUI using Tkinter library of Python. Give the
okay,
password system like that.
हम्म,
So authentication system. So I
हम्म,
explained everything. He
हम्म,
said okay, good. Then
हाँ,
he asked me, so you work in imaging processing using Python. So
हम्म,
you do code in Python. Is it your favorite language? Something like that. So I
हम्म,
said, no, sir. Python is not my favorite language. I
हम्म,
just did the project in Python during my academic.
हम्म,
For the coding, I prefer other languages like other OOPS language like Java or C++.
हम्म,
Then he said, okay. So he said, in my resume, I mentioned three languages: C, C++, Java. So he asked me, you mentioned all these languages. So in
हम्म,
which you are confident? So I tell him,
हम्म,
sir, I'm confident in all the languages. Okay.
wow,
So he prefer. Yes, sir. Then he prefer which language you like to code. Which language do you use? So I said, right now I use Java everywhere for
हम्म,
coding as well as development purpose. He said, okay. So can you explain why Java, or what is difference between C and Java? Both the languages you are explained. So that was one technical question, and I think that is the only technical question or academic related question asked me
हम्म.
by the interviewer. Ki what is the difference between C and Java?
Okay, this was asked by TR or HR?
No, sir. Now the TR is asking the question.
Okay, हाँ, हम्म,
So I explained the like Java is a platform independent where C is a dependent. C is a faster than Java, which is a procedure oriented, and Java
हम्म,
is a oops oriented like that. Like or Java is a more secure. Java don't use pointers.
हम्म. Correct.
There are many
All
platforms
all
in
this
Java.
not many know that, you know, in C we have pointers which compromises the security.
Yes, sir, like that. Keys,
Correct. Correct.
pointers are like that. So I explained everything. Like or others, I told him C is used for system layer application. C plus is for system designing, or the desktop application where Java is used in everywhere. Like we can like that. Also explained. So after that, he asked me, okay.
Hmm.
Sir, while mentioning about Java,
Hmm.
I mentioned like Java is a uses the concept of OOPS. So
Hmm.
Java is a powerful language
Hmm.
due to OOPS concept.
Hmm.
So I tried to change my shift of a interviewer from the
Hmm.
language based to the concept based to the OOPS. So I thought
Okay.
he will ask me questions on the OOPS because I
Oops.
use the this is the hard word like that.
This, you know, you're trying to be smart here. There is a technique here, Vishal. That is, there is a difference between me giving my interview and the interviewer taking my interview. Interviewer taking my interview means whatever he asks, I give random answers. Me giving my interview means I want him to ask questions on what I'm good at. So I will
Yes,
keep
sir.
throwing him substances and he'll start picking from that only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct? So that is what you're doing here. You're trying to shift towards oops more so that
So
he asks you.
during my Accenture interview, I did the
Huh.
same things. Interview starts
Huh.
Java, then OOPS, then polymorphism,
Huh.
like that. So interview went. I was throwing the same sentence or the word which I want interviewer to ask me the questions in every in the some sentence, and the interviewer was asking the same question.
This is you giving your interview.
And sir,
The entire interview is in under your control type.
during interview it makes you more confident that you know everything the interviewer asking you.
Yeah. Good. That is a technique. This is one technique which we apply. Huh.
Okay,
Then.
then after sir, then he asked me, ki, when did you learn the languages,
Hmm.
these languages? So I said, ki, sir, the C was in a first year in academic.
Hmm.
After explaining C, I started C++. I learned the whole C++.
Hmm.
But after C++, people were talking about Java. My summer friend, that is a library reached, or it has many framework like that. So I
Hmm.
learned the Java in my second year.
Hmm.
So he said, good. It means in the second year you have the control on the three languages. Yes,
Hmm.
sir. Then he asked, okay. So right now you are learning in the languages, or you know everything. So
Hmm.
I said, sir, I started. I'm from electronic background. I
Hmm.
got the exposure of programming language from the college. So I
Hmm.
started exploring, and right now I'm also exploring the language, also
Hmm.
studying, also developing my skills in the languages. So I don't say
Okay.
कि yes sir, I know everything about that, because I
Good.
know
This is the
there
best
is a,
answer. This is
yes
the
sir.
best answer. Hmm.
Then he asked me कि uh, I tried to after that I tried to shift the discussion from the uh, because he didn't ask me questions on the oops. So I
Hmm.
tried to shift the discussion from the to other area, like other area like projects. I prepared my project, all the projects well.
Hmm.
So mentioning that, I mentioned that ki, sir, learned Java, but in the second year there was a trend. Android was trending because in everybody in my college was talking about Java, Android app
Hmm.
development like that. So
Hmm.
in the second year, in the last semester, I did a small project on Android.
Hmm.
So he said, okay, good. Then
Hmm.
after exploring the Android in a third year, I created a
Hmm.
big project using Android and Firebase like
Hmm.
that. So
Hmm.
he asked me, okay, good. So can you explain me the projects? So I explained the project. It was basically for a internship data management.
Hmm.
It was a live project. The department asked me to ask the team to do the projects which
Hmm.
they are going to use it in the college. So
Super.
we did the app like that.
Hmm.
So then after that he asked me, "Ki, tell me about your ongoing projects."
Okay.
So I told him that it's a sponsor projects. I got
Hmm.
a sponsorship from the company.
Hmm.
I did a startup like that, and I explained that that project is nothing but we have to create a app. Uh, the user we can see the nearest charging stations while
Hmm.
moving,
Hmm.
and he can acquire those charging stations. Like he can pay online using a phone pay or something like that, and he
Hmm.
can acquire that charging station for 2 or 3 hours depending on its need. And for
Okay.
those 2 hours the charging station is locked for that user. So
Hmm.
if user can go that station, he can scan the QR code
Hmm.
and can acquire the charger and charge his vehicle. So this
Okay.
was all everything. So he said
Hmm.
good.
Hmm.
Uh, then I'll tell him, ki, sir, after my Android products I did using a Android Studio,
Hmm.
and for the sponsored projects I am using a Flutter framework, which is by
Hmm.
Google. So
Okay.
he said, why you are using Flutter? You are well in Android.
Hmm.
So no, sir. Actually, sir, I think I'm not well in Android, but
Hmm.
I'm pretty much confident about Android, and
Hmm.
I want to try the new something new. So I started the Flutter, which is
Hmm.
using Dart language. So Dart is a new language, which is the object oriented language. He said,
Hmm.
oh, okay, good. Then he said, okay,
There you
nice.
are bringing in so many positive points. You're trying to tell here that you're open to learning new languages and using those languages you have implemented. So somewhere he would have more respect for you and a definite yes, positive from your end. Good. Please
Yes,
continue.
sir. Yes, sir.
Uh,
Then after that, sir, I'm letting only good. Are you confident about that too? No, no. I said no, sir. Currently, I'm
mm,
working on it. I
mm,
got to know many things, but I'm not
uh,
confident. I'm working on it. Okay, he
uh,
said, good, good. Then what else did you try? Anything else apart from this
mm,
in your core area? So I said, no, sir. Actually, my college is providing both the core subject as well as CS subjects to all the
mm,
circuit branches.
mm,
And due to my pointers, unfortunately, I got
mm,
all the subjects which are com subject like OOPS or
uh,
OS. He said,
uh,
okay, great. So then again he asked me, you are from an electronics background, and why
mm,
are you doing IT?
mm,
So it is like you are not working on your area which is assigned to you. So I
mm,
said, no, sir, I'm working on a area subject assigned to me, because
uh,
the college is offering me the same subject,
uh,
and I'm working on the same subject. So he
okay.
said, okay, good, nice.
Mm,
Then after that, I told him, sir, I also during the pandemic in the free time I also work on a
mm,
Spring Boot. Also, I created a small two small applications on it,
mm,
and he said, okay, so you are why did you not added Spring Boot is a great thing. He
mm,
said, why did you not add it in the resume? Because I didn't added those two projects in the resume. There was a two reason already. There was a four projects,
mm,
and I was not much confident about the Spring Boot.
mm,
So I told him honestly, sir, to be honest, I'm not that much confident about the Spring Boot,
mm,
because it's not a hard framework, but it is a really complex framework.
mm,
And I think right now I'm not in a position to learn the complex things, because the
mm,
placement activities are going on.
mm,
Okay, so he said, okay.
mm,
Uh, then I told him, ki, sir, and I think right now the placement activities was going. So I
mm,
paused the Spring project things.
mm,
And sir, right now I'm confident that after this interview, I can
mm,
resume that projects also.
mm,
Because in short, I tried to mention that, okay, I'm confident I'm going to select
mm,
in
mm,
the interview process, so I can
mm,
resume my projects also.
huh,
So he
huh,
said, he laughed and said, okay, good.
huh,
Uh,
huh,
then he said that I'm he said to HR person, ki
mm,
I'm done with my questions.
mm,
Thank you. He said to me, Vishal, thank you so much, and wish you
mm,
happy Diwali. I said,
okay,
yes, sir. Same to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
huh,
Okay. So then the TR person came. Just
mm,
the interview is over.
mm,
Then the HR person hand over to the MR person,
mm,
manager, to ask me the question. So
mm,
manager asked me the same question, ki okay, so you are from the electronics, our company is IT, so how
mm,
can you work here?
mm,
Can you, if there is a change, if you ask to work in a support
mm,
or in a testing area, so will it be okay?
mm,
So I said, if company give me the choice to choose
mm,
the area
mm,
to in which I want to work, so I will definitely choose the development. But
mm,
if company tell me to you have to work in this area,
mm,
I will give my 100% to it. I
mm,
will perform very well. I will do the task assigned to me very well,
mm,
passionately.
mm,
And I laugh later, and I said, and also sir, I will try to impress my project manager through
mm,
my skills,
mm.
and try to impress him to change change my working area. But the assigned area I will work well in that area. So
Good.
I tried to show the flexibility, like I'm
Huh,
okay with it.
okay.
And I also
That is
tried.
realistic, being realistic. Okay, that I am happy. I will put my 100% in testing, but I prefer development, so I would put my extra efforts to see through that I get into development. That is being realistic. No issues. Huh.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Huh.
sir. And then he said, oh, okay. Then he asked the small questions. Like you mentioned that you were a joint secretary in IEEE. So what
Mm,
did you do there? What did you do there? So
mm,
basically, it's a international organization, IEEE,
mm,
and it has a small branches in every college. So
correct.
there is a branch in our college, and
Mm,
in the third year I elected as a joint secretary. So I
mm,
told him, ki, sir, I work as a joint secretary there, and
mm,
during in that club I got a lot. I learned a lot about managing stuffs, creating
mm,
a healthy competition among team workers,
mm,
team building stuff. He
mm,
said, okay, good. And
mm,
this is only 2 3 questions. And
mm.
he said to HR, I'm done with my interview.
Super. All positives. All positives. Huh.
Okay. Then
Then.
HR came. He asked me, okay, thanks. He said thanks to me
Mm,
for the reallocating the time, that the pre-ponding. I said, okay,
mhm,
sir, no problem, sir. Okay, sir. It is obvious that the Diwali it's now Diwali,
huh.
and I think it might be the last day for the interview,
Did you
because
tell
there is
this?
a no, I said ki, okay, sir, thank you, sir, but I can understand, sir. There is other things are going on,
Huh.
and I'm flexible with the timing. I was free, so I said yes.
Huh.
I assume that this is the Diwali things they might want to. I
Huh.
didn't say this today,
Okay. Huh.
but I assume that there is a Diwali might be some reasons,
Okay.
because I think that was my last slot. I was the last one.
Okay. Okay.
So I
Okay.
think then he asked me the same HR questions, like related to shift, related to bond period. That they said, "Ki, we have 1 year bond period. Are you okay with it?" So I tell
Mm-hmm.
him, sir, I'm okay with it, because as a fresher, it will be really helpful for me to stick to the organization more than 2 or 3 years. It will enhance my skills, and also it will give good exposure of that company to me. He said, okay, good. Then he asked me about chips. I said, okay. And he asked me about relocation. So I said, yes, sir, I'm okay with it, because right now, at the age of 21 years, I have a job also. And so right now, I can be relocated. I want to explore new places, new foods. So I'm okay with relocation, no problem, sir. Then
Okay.
he thanked me, okay. Then he said, okay, good, thanks, we are done with the interview. And
Mm,
he greeted me happy Diwali,
mm,
and the interview is over. But
okay.
before leaving, I asked the interviewer, sir, can I leave the meeting? Because I thought he didn't ask me that question, that do you have any questions like that. And
Uh-huh.
though I have one question to ask him, but he
Mm-hmm.
didn't ask. So I asked him, sir, can I leave the meeting?
Mm,
He said, yeah, okay, you can leave the meeting, असं बोललं. And then
okay.
I leave the meeting.
But why did you ask? Did they leave the meeting? They
No,
told
sir,
thank
no.
you. They told thank you.
They told thank you. Thank you. We are okay here. We are done. He said we are done. Okay,
Mm,
and happy Diwali to me. But it was not clear that I should leave or I should stay in the meeting. So I
mm-hmm.
waited, and after some seconds, I asked, sir, can I leave the meeting?
Mm,
So because in the previous interviews of Finuk, it has
mm.
happened to me. I left early
Okay. Okay.
because the interviewer was talking thank you. Before saying, hearing his thank you, I left the meeting.
Oh, okay. Huh. Okay.
So I think that might affected my performance. So this time I waited and waited
Mm,
for his response, and
good.
then I
I
left the
have
meeting.
three questions for you. Okay. Three
Yes, sir.
things, three questions. Number one, in between you told to be honest. You mentioned to be honest, sir. You told something. Okay. You don't have to
Yes, sir.
tell to be honest. Okay. To be honest, you are already honest. Okay. You don't have to specify to be honest.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you don't tell that. To be honest, sir. Okay, which shows that till now whatever you told you are not honest. Now you're trying to be honest.
Okay. Oh, yes, sir. Yes.
है ना?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is one thing. Number two, when he asked, I hope it is fine with the preponement. We have preponed and all. So you can tell yes, sir. No issues at all. No issues. I do understand. Over. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it. Now, if you have tried to tell, I understand, sir. It was Diwali time. Even you
No,
have to do that. This no. Okay, good. Good that
sir.
you told. You understand, sir.
It's
It's fine.
it
And
become
even you
informal,
don't have
sir.
to tell, I understand. We are nobody to tell, to be honest with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I just said yes, sir. Okay, sir. No problem, sir. I
No
was
problem.
free
No problem, sir.
like that.
That's all. Try to, interviewers are very professional people. We need to be as professional as possible.
Yes, sir.
You know, even you told no, I would try to impress the HR to put me into product or into development and all. Okay, that is good, but good. Okay, I'm not telling, but try to maintain the decorum. They are the interviewers, you know.
Yes, sir.
So if they laugh, we can smile, but we don't have to laugh. We shouldn't laugh,
Yes, sir.
you know. Matlab, you if we give the entire authority to them, sir, you laugh, I will smile with you, sir, but I
It's a
will
ring.
not laugh on my own.
It's interviewers ring. We are just playing there, so we have to.
Are under
Yes,
control. You laugh, sir, I'll smile. That's all.
yes, sir.
We should not laugh in front of them. We should not do that.
Yes, sir. I will take care of these three things.
Or one more thing is you told in between that at the age of 21, I already have a job.
Yeah, I mentioned like my father told me ki, you have a job right now. Well,
Didn't they dig more that which job do you have? What are you talking
no,
about?
no, sir. It was like I was confident that I will get this job.
Okay,
So I was
okay.
like, ki, I
You,
will
you
get the
didn't
job
talk
in
with
this.
the previous company which you're
No, no,
with.
no. I haven't mentioned
Uh,
about the thing
that
about
is,
extension.
that
Nothing.
is because if you tell no, sir, I'm already placed in Accenture, gone.
Yes, sir. Sir, our
Every-
TPO already told these things. Can never tell them ki you have interviewed in other companies also, or you are selected. Just
Right.
don't mention that. That is the only thing. You will be out of the process.
Correct, correct. Good,
Uh,
good, good that you maintain this. Even higher education, no to higher
no, sir.
education.
No.
Okay, marriage also no. Many girls, especially one girl yesterday, okay, she spoke to me and they asked her, "Do you have any marriage plans?" She told, "Yes, sir, within 1 or 1.5 years."
Okay.
Okay. Now you
So
get
don't prefer
married in
that.
1.5 years, then you need maternity leave, all that. You have joined only 1 year back, 1.5 years back. How will we provide you maternity leave and all? And high probability of them quitting for 6 months, 9 months because they have to take care of the family.
Yes, sir.
So
6 months.
especially girls getting married, any plans, further education, any hobby which you want to take it as full time, please say no to that. Many people, especially girls and boys, who are like, I do part time photography. Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
want to get into that field, sir, very soon. Please don't tell that. Okay, tell it is just a hobby. Why do you have to mention it to the HR? As if he is going to recruit you into photography department.
Sir, during my Accenture procedure, I
Huh,
was mentioning a lot about projects, Android.
huh,
So interview asked me, so are you into freelancing? So I
huh,
directly said, no, sir, I'm not into freelancing.
huh,
I just like a Java language,
huh,
and the Android is in a Java.
hmm.
So I like to create projects, but I'm not
Okay.
into freelancing.
Okay, that is what. See, this is if you are told yes, gone.
Yes, sir. I
So this.
directly said no, sir. I directly like no, sir. I'm not into freelancing. I just like to develop the things
Huh.
because it is in a Java. So I tried to shift the focus again to the Java.
Superb, superb. That's the best thing that you have done. Good. So, any last piece of advice that you would like to give, Vishal, to all the people who are watching here, especially who are from electronics department or any other department?
Okay, sir. I think I would like to talk to everybody when nonetheless to department.
Hmm,
Like just be confident
hmm.
and try to try to manage your interview like you are giving the interview.
Correct, correct.
Like you want the interviewer to ask the question which you knows.
Hmm,
So try to bombard those words like I wanted oops. So say oops many
hmm,
things mentioning up like you are in a C++ developer.
hmm.
So C plus is a oops bit. So use the concept of oops like that. Like in a project also you can explain the things. So that
Correct.
if you want interval to ask the things you know,
Hmm,
then tell the interval that you know these things, you know
hmm,
these things, you know
hmm,
these
hmm.
things. So
Okay.
you can manage your interview, and I think it will not only makes the interviewer to think that you know the many things like that, but
Hmm.
also it makes you confident during the interview that you are going the answers of the everything, the
Correct.
questions interviewer asking you have answers for those.
Hmm,
And just if you have knowledge,
hmm,
then only say,
hmm.
don't say to impress the HR or something like that,
Correct.
because these people directly catch you like you are doing anything. They got no, they surely they are in the industry around 8 to 10 years.
Not only that, they interview thousands of students. The way you tell no, there only they'll catch you through your body language.
Yes, yes, sir. And I think be flexible. Don't say no to anything. If you are not, if it not possible for you, then
Hmm.
also don't say no. Just say yes. It will be taken care later by your project manager or something like that.
Correct,
But
correct.
and be confident. That is much for you because we are a freshers.
Huh.
So company not expect much from us. They just see if we are confident, we are we are can we work for them. We are honest. Just that's it.
And adaptable. Are you adaptable or
adaptable,
rigid
flexible.
right now? Right now only you start showing cholesterol to the company that no, I I don't want to relocate and all. We have to be flexible.
And the things which we say in the three jets, like okay, so what package do you want, how you are, we
Uh,
can't, it's not a movie, we can't demand anything. There is not a such thing, single thing we can demand. Sir, I
uh,
want this, I want this, we everything we have to just say yes.
uh,
Not like that. We the sir, yes sir, many interest people see that
uh,
in a movies they thought like it was a movie, like I was used to thought like it was a movie.
uh,
At the last I can talk about package to the HR,
uh,
or talk about a habits, or I want these things, I
mm,
want a car. So it's not at all like that. We just
correct.
have to say to yes the interview, say yes to the interviewer. And
Mm,
it is also in the manner that interviewer will accept it. Yeah, it is saying true, or it will
mm.
he's really saying yes, not for a sake, not just for a sake.
Be
So we have to
genuine.
honest, be genuine. Yes sir.
Correct, correct, correct. Like how people now, when you watch his interview, the way he's answering, we get to know that he's genuinely answering from his heart. Like that, be genuine whenever they ask you questions like, "Are you ready to relocate? Okay, are you ready to work longer if needed?" Yes, sir, I would for sure.
And sir, and another technical things, like if there is a power cut or any net issues,
Mm,
try to clear these issues before the interview with the person.
mm,
If he's from a college, then TPO person
mm,
or a HR person.
mm.
Because if that happen during the interview, they directly throw out of the process. But if
Okay.
prior mention, request them, sir, that problem might arise or like that,
Mm,
they will they will just take consideration our request, and they will
mm.
think on it.
Okay.
Because we don't know what might happen. So if you have anything, just please tell before, prior to the interview, that these are the things.
And
And
will you get
talking
their
about
numbers to contact them? Will you get their numbers?
such email address.
Email address. Okay, super, super.
Yes sir.
So
And
any issues, power cuts, anything that you are expecting, anticipating, poor network, please before the interview leave a mail to them.
iCard is must. They also told me to show my iCard in the frame,
Government
around one
ID card or college ID card?
government ID card, Aadhaar
Government.
card. So
Okay.
and also if your photo is updated, then you then only use the Aadhaar card.
Hmm.
Then ship to other documents, PAN card or license. Because
Mm-hmm.
on my Aadhaar card, my photo was not updated.
Okay.
So he asked me about it. So I said, sir, it is not updated. He, okay, okay.
Huh.
But next time in other areas, try you first update it and try to use updated documents.
Okay.
I said, okay, sir. And he asked me to hold like this, to
Hmm.
be in a single frame.
Hmm.
Like this was the only documentation. Other things they didn't ask. But
Okay.
I kept those things with me. Also the soft copy of that NQT Next portal form.
Mm-hmm.
So I document is needed, but they ask only one document.
Hmm. Okay. Fine. Super. Anything else, Vishal, from your end that you would like to say?
No, sir. I think the all the things I said, it's
Huh.
due because of you. While watching your videos,
Huh.
I group up or got all the things which students said in the video,
Hmm.
and I created my own recipe using that.
Okay. Super.
So I
Super.
think just want to be
Hmm.
confident about yourself,
Hmm.
and if this is not the opportunity, the next will surely come.
Obviously.
Because if you have a talent,
Hmm.
then you will be served.
Correct.
It will take some time, but you
And
will
I
be served.
believe in this. Okay, if I get rejected in one company, next company will be a better company. Version one gone, version 1.1 will be better than
Yes,
version
sir. So
one.
I prepared for the question like, if you are not selected for this company, what will do? So
Mm,
I was prepared like, sir, I will prepare well. I will found. I didn't like I will found my mistake. I said I prepared like I will found the improvements in this
mm,
process,
mm,
where I was left a little less.
uh,
I will improve myself, and
mm,
next time I will surely try for NQ2 as
mm,
well as higher companies.
mm. Correct, correct.
So
Good.
like it was like, yeah, I'm only for NQT. I can be for others also.
Yes, good, good, good. Very good, Vishal. That is the right way to answer. Good. So, with this, Vishal, we wish you all the best for your results. Be in touch with us. Let us know what was your result. We would be very happy to, be a part of your success too, Vishal.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So thanks a lot for sharing your information. Okay, taking out time for all the viewers out there to help them out. Really nice of you. And please take care of your health. I think you're having a bit of cold.
Yes, sir. I think around 8 to 10 years I'm having. During interview I also have, but I
Okay.
think interviewer didn't notice, or I was not in like this during interview.
Okay.
due to the
Take care of
enthusiasm.
your health. Get well soon, Vishal.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
And sir, again, thank you so much, sir.
Huh.
You are doing such a great job, and it is really means a lot for a freshers, and
Arey,
which is really from a small cities like Aurangabad city
mhm.
or Jalna. There is a small districts in Maharashtra.
Okay.
People are really need this type of help because they don't have campus placements, so they
Yes.
are obviously they have to go off campus,
Mhm.
and they don't have this type of resource. So I
Okay.
think, sir, you are really doing good jobs for them.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Vishal. Hope
Thank you so much.
we try to help more and more people, and more people are benefited. This is the main aim of Quant Masters.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Thank you so
Okay.
much, sir.
Thank you, Vishal, for all those words. So I hope all of you have got enough knowledge about what are the type of questions which are asked for EC people, and few techniques which Vishal gave out. Okay, like whatever you want them to ask, try to throw more and more words on such concepts. Okay, so a lot of experience that we learned out of this interaction. So with this, I wish you all the best. May all of you clear with flying colors, get placed soon, make your parents proud. So thank you very much for your time. Take good care of yourselves and keep smiling, people. If you want to share your experience with us, feel free to leave us a message on Instagram, or I would directly share my WhatsApp number below the link. Please do messages so that we could help more and more people with more experiences. Thank you. Take care. Keep smiling.